In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do emissions on an atlas. The two things that I'll be doing in this video is the eyes and the pant strip. The thing you're going to need is your atlas and also GIMP. Now GIMP, I will have it links in the description, and it is a free software that you can download. First thing we're going to need is the pants file and also the eye file that you have in your atlas. Now what we're going to need to do is edit this. Now I'm going to take this into the 3D paint. Once you're in 3D paint, what you're going to want to do is we're going to crop just this pant strip right here. So, because that's all we're going to need, and that's all I want from the pants. And we're going to overlay this in the GIMP. Alrighty, so once you selected what you want to hit done. And now we just have this. That's what I want. Now we can save this to same file. And now I just have that. So let's go back in GIMP. Once loaded back into GIMP, we're going to make two layers in GIMP. And the way we do that is you go over here to the corner and you right click, new layer, okay, and we're going to have one transparent one. And then the next one's going to be transparent until we change it. Now, on this one, what we're going to do is disable this two eye little gadgets right there. And then go with this very top one. We're going to go over here, select a black color, and then right click. Let's go down to tools, paint tools, bucket fill. Bam. Now what we're going to want to do is the pants and the eye, we're gonna put them onto this one right here. So let's go ahead and grab them. So there's the cutout that I made in 3D art or paint. So we're gonna use this one to see where we're gonna actually be putting it at. But now let's grab the paint or the strip. And then you can use this right here to get a closer look at it. So we want this as close as we can get it. I think I got it pretty good right there. Yep, that's pretty good right there. So let's zoom out. And then we're going to do the eye next. So it's all about just matching the same area of the atlas. So, keep. Now this one I'm going to resize, and it's not an issue. So scale tool, we're just going to scale it down. There's a move tool, scale it down just a tad bit more. About like that, bam. So now I have the pant strip and the eyes ready to go. Now we can get rid of this atlas, delete. We can delete this one. Let's activate this one. Now, what we're going to need to do is go to File, Export As. Let's name this as Emission, because it doesn't really matter for me. Export it. Now we're going to need to load up into Unity, and I already have it pulled up. Now, here's my avatar right here, and then here's the atlas. So what we're going to need to do is click on the avatar, go to Atlas, and the emission. But now we're going to need to add this right here, this part right here. So we need to just drag this into Unity, just like that. And then go to emission, and you got to make sure you check mark this. Then go to color, find E. Now as you can kind of tell, there's a bit of a glow, but a better way that you can make this work is you go to the directional light, and then with the x-axis you can move it down and up. But if I have it where it's dark, you can tell that the eyes glow and that the pants glow. So that's how you do emissions. It's just overlaying the same texture with the emissions. So I could do my tattoo, my hair, my body, and whenever it's dark, it will glow. So If you have any questions, ask in the comments. If this helped you out and you liked it, give it a like. See you in the next video.